Wait! Don't do that!
Why?
You're turning your veggie into a health hazard! Yes, there's a staple in your kitchen that can put you at risk for heavy metal poisoning if you cook it like most people do. Gathering here, I've been helping people with kidney problems lowering their creatinine levels for almost 10 years now, and there's no doubt about it. The right diet is key to improve with kidney disease. I've seen people getting impressive progress in terms of kidney function just by improving the way they eat. This is why today I will show you many foods that are suitable for all the stages of kidney disease. 100% plant-based, low in protein, low in potassium, low on the glycemic scale, and they are also high in fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals. But people are eating them all wrong, causing more harm than good. Yes, these common eating and cooking mistakes are turning 7 kidney repairing superfoods into mushy, slimy messes with little to none health benefits, and in some cases, into carcinogens. Today we will see how to avoid that, starting with number 7. Don't forget to let onions and garlic rest. Adding these 2 superfoods to your diet is a great way to support kidney health. Onions and especially garlic are incredibly rich in kidney protecting compounds such as allicin, quercetin, anthocyanins, and more. Consuming these foods regularly has been linked to lowered blood pressure, lowered cholesterol levels, better immunity, and overall better kidney health. But your chopped onions and garlic should never go straight from the cutting board to the pan, no matter how much your eyes are tearing. Kidney protecting compounds and flavonoids are activated when the cell walls are broken down by cutting or chopping. Unfortunately, as soon as they hit the heat, those powerful reactions stop. Letting the veggies sit for a few minutes will allow more of those healthy compounds to form. And this is exactly how you consume garlic to fight kidney disease. Our number 6 now. This is a super healthy fruit. Almost everyone is eating it the wrong way, throwing away the best part. Number 6. Don't throw out the pineapple core. As you may already know, pineapples are incredibly healthy for you. They are one of the best sources of bromelain, a powerful flavonoid which is not just great to fight inflammation, it also detoxes the body from uric acid. Having too much uric acid is very common in people with kidney disease, and it's the cause of gout, a painful condition, and it also causes kidney damage. And bromelain can help. This enzyme is also used to help with digestion. Eating pineapple is a simple and tasty way to get more vitamin C, bromelain, and antioxidants into your diet. Now, the question is, do you eat the pineapple core or throw it away? Believe it or not, the core is one of the most nutritious parts of the pineapple fruit. Although it's not as sweet and juicy as the flesh, it packs a hefty nutritional punch. Yes, what many people don't know is that the core is one of the best sources of bromelain and vitamins. The core is also lower in calories and sugar than the rest of the pineapple. You can also cook it down, or if you don't mind a little extra chewing, cut it into small chunks and eat it raw. And don't forget to sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Time now to see a recipe with incredible kidney protecting and detoxing benefits. This is a way to turn a healthy food into a real superfood with amazing benefits for your gut and kidney health. Number 5. Don't just cook cabbage. Ferment it. You can easily turn cabbage into kimchi, a Korean delicacy that is known for protecting the kidneys. Fermented foods like these, made with healthy recipes like this one, have natural probiotics that nourish the bacteria in your gut. Kimchi is made fermenting ingredients such as Chinese cabbage, onions, garlic, ginger, and chili peppers. The recipe is pretty easy. I've shared it down in the description. But consider that fermented foods have a very long shelf life, and this makes it particularly easy to find them. Even some supermarkets carry kimchi, and if you have an Asian market near you, you'll be able to find this one easily. But now you may ask, Is it really worth it to make this recipe instead of just eating cabbage? Too many people underestimate the importance of the gut when it comes to fighting kidney disease. But let me show you one thing. Uremic toxins, the #1 cause of kidney disease symptoms, can be removed by 2 organs in the body only: the kidneys and the gut. According to recent research, improving the health of your gut will be able to help consistently with getting rid of what the kidneys can't remove. And one of the ways to achieve this is to eat more probiotics-rich foods. Guys, I've talked more in depth about how to get more probiotics in your diet and protect the kidneys in my video up here. Our number 4 is an even worse mistake. We are talking about one of the healthiest veggies in the world here, that most people are cooking in a way that destroys all the nutrients. Number 4, don't stir fry broccoli. Broccoli has long been touted as one of the healthiest veggies. This superfood is loaded with fiber, antioxidants that protect the kidneys, vitamin C and iron that fight anemia. And even if it's a bit rich in potassium, broccoli is so healthy, it's still worth eating it in moderation. What you should know is that broccoli is a stir-fry recipe staple, but it shouldn't be. Recent study found that stir-frying broccoli depletes its vitamin C content by 24%. It lowers the amount of chlorophyll and causes a dramatic 67% loss of carotenoids, powerful kidney-protecting antioxidants. So what you are eating now is just fried potassium. What to do to avoid this? Steaming or lightly sauteing allows broccoli's nutrients to remain nearly as intact as its natural raw state. The other mistake many people do is throwing away broccoli stems. Don't do that. When you throw out broccoli or cauliflower stems, you're tossing a boatload of nutrients in the trash too. The stems actually contain more fiber, vitamin C and calcium than the florets. Time now to see one of the healthiest fruits in the world, but only if you eat it right. Number 3, don't throw away citrus fruit peels and the pits. Wait, what? The juice is not the healthiest part of the citrus fruits? So what many people do with lemons, oranges and tangerines is to just squeeze them for the juice and discard all the peel and the pith. Don't do that. You are literally wasting all the best parts of the fruit. Did you know lemon peel contains 5 to 10 times more vitamins than lemon itself? The pith, the white part here, has more antioxidants and fiber than the pulp. And you know where most of the sugar is? Yeah, you won't believe. It's in the juice. Get the biggest bang for your nutrient buck by using the rind of lemons, limes and oranges too. Citrus rinds contain more flavonoids and fiber than the juicy flesh. Try gently grating the peel to add some zest to whatever you're cooking. Or try my lemon smoothie. The recipe is up here if you want to know more. Time now to uncover a serious danger that hides in your kitchen. There is an item in your kitchen that can put a kidney disease patient at risk for heavy metal poisoning. Number 2, stop using aluminum cookware. If you frequently cook in aluminum cookware or regularly use aluminum foil, I may have a bad news. Cooking with aluminum pans or pots using aluminum foil and drinking out of aluminum bottles has been linked to several health issues. Okay, I know what you think. This is just another health risk widely inflated by media, isn't it? Okay, you may be partially right about this one, at least for the general population. Now the problem with aluminum is that certain heavy metals, aluminum included, are way more likely to build up in the body of someone with kidney disease. Now, if you don't just want to throw away all your old pots and pans, there are still things you can do to minimize your intake. First of all, avoid cooking with acidic foods such as tomatoes and lemon in aluminum. And also consider getting some iron cast cookware. If you cook in iron cast, What will leach into your food when you make a marinade is precious iron and not dangerous aluminium. And talking about dangerous cooking methods, the next mistake is maybe the most frequent way of transforming healthy dishes into carcinogens. Number 1. Never heat the smoke point of oils. But wait, wasn't olive oil healthy? Yes, but not if you burn it. All fats, including the oils you typically use in the kitchen, have a smoke point. If you hit the smoke point, you will turn your nutritious olive oil into a carcinogen, a true health danger. How can you avoid hitting the oil smoke point? Avoid deep frying and other high heat cooking methods. Because if you cook with your kidney health in mind, deep frying is not recommended. It's a lot better to prefer low to moderate heat cooking methods such as baking, roasting at moderate heat, and sauteing. What can be even worse than these 7 cooking mistakes? Well, eating the worst, most dangerous junk foods while you think you are eating healthy. This is what happened to Johnny, 35-year-old that lost 18% of his kidney function just by trying to eat healthy. If you want to know more about that, watch my video up here. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. God bless.